Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of June the 11th to the 17th and some terrific deals in this flyer. So I am pretty excited by this matchups, and I apologize this is a day late. Dollar General has basically taken over my life, and we'll talk about that in a second. Please treat this video as a preview. On Sunday, June the 11th, we'll have the full ad with all the details and all of the coupons to go with these deals, so we'll be able to be like, pew, 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 done. If you could do me a huge favor and just like this video, it would really help me out. If you could take a second and really like this video, it helps me out greatly. So as I was saying, Dollar General, their clearance event is taking place this weekend, where items that are either POG or in the clearance section is an additional 50% off. I will link this video to show you my haul. I'm heading back out there today because I obviously have some problems, but I cannot stay away from this haul. I got this whole table, guys, for under $40, so that is the magic of the Dollar General clearance event. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is this, $10 Walgreens cash when you spend $20, very specific on the W products or Walgreens products, valid from the 11th right till the 24th. I believe it's going to be these products, so we're going to have to wait and see. I'm obviously going to have a haul using that booster with these products and to make something happen, so I'm pretty excited about that. First deal that we're going to talk about, guys, is with the Arm & Hammer for $1.99. We're going to be able to get this for 99 cents, and we haven't seen a 99-cent price in probably more than a year, so I'm pretty excited by this. So last week we had some digital coupons that appeared that included this guy, which is $1 off. So make sure that you have him loaded for this deal, and it's very straightforward. Grabbing one of those Arm & Hammers for $1.99, subtracting that dollar digital, you're paying 99 cents. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. It's perfectly fine. And it's just a way to get some very inexpensive detergent. Over on coupons.com or Shopmium, and I understand coupons.com is closing their doors probably sometime in July. But anyhow, we have dollar rebates for the detergent, the pods, and the scent boosters. So if you wanted to do the deal once with the digital coupons and secondly with these rebates, I mean, you could potentially get 6 if the pods and the scent boosters are also included. So just something to throw in your back pocket. The next deal that we're going to talk about is the Garnier Fructis Hair Care. $4 reward when you buy 2, and there's also going to be a digital coupon for this offer, which is a 3 off 2. I wonder if whole blends will be part of this. But with the Garnier Fructis, grabbing 2 hair products for 8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that beautiful hair care. So I'm very happy about this deal. The next deal is on the Good Nites, 2 for $21, $5 reward when you buy 3. So we have this digital coupon for the Good Nites, and there's also a $2 one. So that gives you $6 of digitals for these larger diapers for toddlers. If you need them, this is just a deal. It's not the best deal, but it's a deal. Grabbing 3 bags of this for $31.50, subtracting that $6, you're going to pay $25.50, get back a $5 register reward, making it $20.50 for the 3 or $6.83 per bag. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. But if you're in need of these diapers, not the worst deal. Okay, now we have the Dollar Shave Club. Earn $3 in-store reward when you spend 10 or more. Because the word spend is in there, we have a curveball. We also have this digital coupon that showed up last week. So with Father's Day just around the corner, my friends, there are going to be a lot of like men's body wash and razors and shavers and stuff sort of deals you'll be seeing. So the Dollar Shave Club has a razor, like the refills and the handle for $10.99. We're grabbing that, subtracting the $3.50 digital, pay $7.49 out of pocket, get back, it's either $3 in Walgreens cash or the register reward. We'll have to wait and see. Do not use any Walgreens cash because the offer says spend. And don't forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, as Dollar Shave Club has been giving back very generous rebates on that specific app. So All in Snuggle is on a promotion for $3.99. It's usually upwards of $7.99 for one. Typically, when this promotion rolls around, we either have a $1.25, $1.50 coupon digitally. So I'm assuming like a $1.25, it would be $2.74 for this. I always like to pick up the unscented all packs. That's a favorite. Moving it along, guys, this is a very good deal. $5.49 for Bounce Downy Tide Laundry Care. $5 reward when you buy 4. So we're going to grab one of each. We're going to load the following digital coupons: the $1 for the dryer sheets, the $1 for the pods, the $1 for the liquid, and the $1 for the fabric softener. So you need a good diversification in your store to make this deal happen. Okay, we have one of each in our basket for $21.96, subtracting the dollar digital coupon. So 4 of them subtracts 4, pay $17.96 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per detergent product. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. If gain is more of your speed, we're going to be looking for 2 products at $9.99. $4 reward when you buy 2. We subsequently also have these $2 digitals for a fabric softener product, and they're attaching to the $9.99 product. And for the detergent, we also have a $2 digital, and they're valid for a couple of weeks, so that's pretty nice. Grabbing one of each at $9.99, that's $19.98. Subtracting the two $2 digitals, you're going to pay $15.98 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, making it $11.98 for the 2 or $5.99 per. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn your register reward. Now, here's a deal I want to mention: Cascade. We haven't seen this in months, so I'm always delighted when I see it. $5 reward when you buy 4. This is also a P&G product. I wonder if there might be some digital coupons starting on Sunday morning for this specific product. Grabbing 4 of these, that would be $21.96. $5 reward, making it $16.96 for the 4 or $4.24 per pack. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay this down if you're not using a booster in concert with this. What coupons will we be getting on Sunday morning? And if you want to use register rewards in concert with this, I mean, by all means, so you're paying less out of pocket, but I know a lot of us love Cascade. Let's touch on some quick honorable mentions. The first are the complete home garbage bags for $1.99. This is an excellent price point. We have the BOGO free on the various supplements by Nature's Bounty, so that is interesting whenever they offer that up. So if you need something, this might be the week to get it. We also have the Kellogg's cereal Pop-Tarts on a BOGO free. Definitely look at the rebate apps in case there might be something back for specifically Kellogg's to make your money really stretch. And my favorite, Oscar Mayer bacon, 2 for $10. So if you're on that carnivore or keto diet, $5 per pack. Well, that is cheaper than Walmart. So go to Walgreens to stock up on bacon. And we also have Nivea, $5. When you buy 15, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Will there be some sort of rebate, coupons.com, IBOTTA, and digital coupons? We don't know. And on that same question with the Nexus and the Tresemme, excellent price points, but we need some digital coupons. So Sunday morning, we're going to have to look for those because possibly these last 3 could be dealios. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.